Hey, what's going on? This is Wesley, billion dollar version here. Hey, guess what? What I'm gonna show you right here in this video is 3 ways to make the most money, the fastest way on the computer, okay, online. And guess what? I'm not gonna tell you to click the link below, join my training. Don't you hate those videos, right? It's like, just give me the secrets in the video here, okay? Number 1, okay? Now listen, write this down, by the way. You need to find a niche. A niche is the category of what you need to do to start making money online. Listen, write this down. Go to clickbank.com, check. Go to digitalstore24.com, check, and find a product that is already doing well. This is called the McDonald method here, okay? I'm gonna show you something. I made over $30 million doing this. I'm not that smart actually, but listen, find a product right now on those sites that are already making millions of dollars, okay? Make sense? And 3, and this is easy, right? What you wanna do is go to Fiverr.com, okay, Fiverr.com. You pay somebody $5 to transcribe the entire product, the marketing, the ebooks, everything, right? Now, I know what you're thinking, this is plagiarism. No, it's the McDonald method, okay? And that's exactly what's in the training here, right below this video here. It's the McDonald method. Because McDonald's and Burger King, don't they sell burgers? Yes! Don't they sell fries? Yes! Don't they put tomato and pickles on your burger? Yes! So listen, they do the same exact thing, right? But yet, they both are billion-dollar companies. The reason why most people never make money online is because you're trying to be too creative. You're trying to be too innovative. Listen, you are not Elon Musk, not yet. If you want to make money, the fastest way, find a niche, and then you do this, model. You're gonna model what already works, right? Just like McDonald's, just like Burger King, Chick-fil-A, right? Bank of America, Chase Bank, everybody models other people, and that's how you become successful fast online. Now listen, if you want me to show you some tips on how to get traffic, yeah, I know I'm doing it. Click learn more, and it's free. It really is free, and I'm gonna teach you step by step what to do on these sites to discover, like, well, Wesley, how do I know what product is actually making money? In the training, I'm gonna give it to you, and guess what? It's not gonna be me. Yeah, I know you pissed off. Listen, it's gonna be a young lady that I taught 2 years ago. She was young, she had no experience, she didn't get it at all. She was just like you, didn't know what to do online. I taught her, she made $600,000 in 4 months. Imagine making $600,000 and all you have to do is get more training. Listen, if you don't need more training in that link below, don't click it. It's all good, it's just optional. But understand this, it's only 3 ways to make money online. Internet marketers around the planet, they're not gonna tell you this. Those are affiliate platforms. Don't model a product that's making no money, because then you're gonna be broke and still have a 9-to-5 job, and you're not gonna enjoy life like myself. And 3, go to Fiverr.com, find someone to transcribe the entire product, and what you do is you study like you're studying for a test. You study all night, all day, and you see exactly how they're marketing to the customers. And then you, pretty eyes, will get rich. Hey, in the link below, it's more training on this. You don't have to get the training, but I wanted to give you value first. Hey, this is Wesley, billion-dollar version. Let's go! Later, folks, gotta go.